29th of July 2024. Here's Uudenmaankatu 63 staircase D, but this building is only elevator.
No. Yeah, but
There's nothing ABC, but
Hyvinkää 1 and 3 and Uudenmaankatu 60 and 62 are the same also.
built in 1964, the symbolization 12148 in Hyvinkää. Hyvinkää was modernized Finland. Let's take the rest here. You best these three verses of the diagrams. The sounds are a bit weird here, but I like the smell here.
Yeah, same. This is what scouted Uudenmaankatu 68, but building 68 was destroyed in 2015.
I'll switch on the lights.
Yeah.
And 1964 is a bit rare.
Yeah. Inspected by Lift Control Finland and maintained by Schindler.
I think it should be maintained better.
Yeah.
That's it. Thanks for watching.
That's